Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel RP's Logos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this symmetrical hexagonal shape using cubes. See, this looks like a hexagonal shape and it's made up of cubes. Okay, so the first thing is open Inkscape and open the fill and stroke menu and align and distribute menu. Okay, now come here, create stars and polygons icon and click here, and here it should be polygon and the corners should be 6. Okay, now press Ctrl and Shift and make a hexagon like this. Okay, now come here, press Shift and click here to remove any strokes, and let me reduce the opacity to around half, and then change this to pixels and click here to lock this and change the height of this to change the width of this to 60 pixels. Okay, place this aside. Now we'll make again another hexagon and press Ctrl and Shift, and this time we'll place it like this, not like this. Okay, it should be placed like this. Okay, now this time we'll change the height of this to, not the width, height of this to 180 pixels. Okay, let me zoom in a bit. Now let me right click, duplicate, and we'll change the color of this to yellow. Okay, now come here and click on this snap to cusp nodes. Click here and move it a bit until it snaps. Okay, now right click, duplicate, change the color of this to green. Okay, now move this until it snaps here. Okay, now right click, duplicate, and we'll move this until it snaps here. We'll change the color of this to blue. Okay, now press Alt, press here once, and a second time press Ctrl D to duplicate it, press Shift and select the yellow cube, path, intersection. Okay, we'll do the same thing here. Press Alt, click once, second time press Ctrl D to duplicate, press Shift and select the green one, path, intersection. Okay, same thing here. Press Alt, click second time, press Ctrl D, press Shift and select this blue one, path, intersection. Okay, now press the Alt button and click once again. Now see the black hexagon which we created first time is selected. Now press delete and remove it. Okay, now we'll increase the opacity of this to 100% and we'll group it. Okay, now next thing what you have to do is click here, rotate the selection 90° clockwise. Okay, now we'll bring the first hexagon here, place it in the middle somewhere like this. Now this time we will remove this snap to cusp nodes, disable this and click here snap to midpoints of line segments. Okay, now see it snaps here, line midpoint of the line segment. Okay, it will snap here perfectly. Now we'll have to right click, duplicate, click once to see this rotational handles, press Ctrl and move this left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now move it until it snaps. Okay, we will do the same thing again. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and click once and see the rotational handles. Press Ctrl, move it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now snap it. Ctrl, duplicate this, click once, rotate it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and snap it. Press Ctrl D and rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, snap it. Again, press Ctrl D and rotate it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and snap it. Okay, now next thing what you have to do, it's not still looking like the one in this photo. You see there is a issue here. So let me show you how to solve this. So you have to click this cube which we created the first time and we'll ungroup this. Okay, ungroup selected. Now select the yellow one. See this yellow piece. See, you can see the fill here as yellow, and click here to raise this to top. See now it's all done. Now we'll select this hexagon here and move it and delete it. We don't need this anymore. Now you see it looks exactly like the one in this photo. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. In case you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Okay.